In this video, me and my bro Bestia are gonna show you some strength exercises to start learning power moves. Make sure you can do them before starting your power moves journey. If you wanna start with power moves, check out the video course that I made with my brother Bestia. The link is in the description. In this video course, we're gonna go over the backspin, windmill, head spin and halo, plus some exercises to improve your mobility and control for power moves. Both for easier power moves, but also for more advanced power moves. If you want to start your power moves journey, make sure to check out the video course that I made with my brother Bestia. Link in the description, and see you next time with a new video. Yo, ninjas!